If this home had a dating profile, it would say tall, modern, extremely low maintenance, and great with families. Now let me show you why you should swipe right. This property is located in one of the newest communities on the west side called Country Meadows. Now this community is a bit smaller, but there is some new development going on, and you're just minutes away from Canada's second largest YMCA. There's schools, there's shopping, and of course, there's this gorgeous park and pond for your family to take full advantage of. With over 1,800 total square feet of developed living space, 4 beds, 3 full bathrooms, and a walkout basement, this home has a ton to offer. Now, starting off in the main level, the first thing you're gonna notice is this bi-level floor plan. Now, I know I have been into a ton of bi-levels lately, but honestly, it's starting to become one of my favorite floor plans because you get these tall vaulted ceilings and this space is just flooded with natural light from all of these windows. But over here, you're gonna appreciate the functionality of this kitchen. Not only do you have quartz countertops, but you have this bright white theme that's gonna give you that feeling of a spacious, bright, and clean kitchen. Now you do have a gas range over on this side for those home chefs out there, as well as this really sleek microwave hood fan, and over here is even a really good sized pantry. Seamlessly connected is the dining room area over here that leads out onto your future deck space. Now this deck has actually just been built and the final screws just went in the other day, but don't worry, the railings are still coming, and there is a gas line out there for a future barbecue. And then just over here is your spacious living room area that's gonna be fantastic for entertaining or just chilling out after a long day. Now, before we head upstairs to the primary retreat, there is bedroom number 1 on this floor, as well as the first of 3 full bathrooms on this level. Welcome to the primary retreat, where again, you're greeted by these tall vaulted ceilings that's gonna make this space feel even bigger and more spacious and luxurious. Now connected is also a full-size walk-in closet, and over on this side is your ensuite with dual vanities and a fully tiled walk-in shower. Down in the lower level, you're gonna notice that the space is completely developed, making this home 100% move-in ready. Now, not only do you have this gargantuan living room space over here, but you'll notice behind me that there is a door because this home does have a walkout to the backyard. Now you'll notice back here, there are no neighbors behind you, making this area super private. But in the backyard itself, we do have underground sprinklers back here, and this area is fully landscaped. However, over on this side, this is just enough room for an above ground pool that the sellers are actually gonna leave here for you, so you can have fun and cool down during those hot summer months. To finish off the basement, there is 2 more bedrooms down here, as well as another spacious, full-size bathroom. But my favorite bedroom down on this level has to be this one over here, because you do get these full-size windows overlooking the backyard, which you're only gonna get in a home with this type of grading. It is springtime right now, and listings like these are coming and going fast. And if you wanna see some of the best properties in Lethbridge, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then just hit the playlist button, kinda right here.